Introducing the Usha iChef blender heater, your multifunctional ultra-quiet companion with heating, blending and grinding. Let's unbox the blender heater and place it on the kitchen countertop. Combine blending and grinding in one device to go straight from raw ingredients to perfectly made soups, smoothies, purees and nut milks in the simplest and most convenient way possible with 6 preset menus. Food-grade Japanese stainless steel blades combined with a 1000-watt heavy-duty 100% copper motor and a 1300-watt heating element make this blender heater uniquely powerful. Your iChef blender heater contains a heavy-duty, food-grade borosilicate glass jar. It is inbuilt with 6 flow breakers for efficient blending. The iChef's lid comes in 2 parts, so you can add ingredients midway through the process too. The blade unit detaches effortlessly, which makes it easy to clean. Use the brush to clean the area below the blades. The borosilicate glass jar is designed for both blending and heating. Place the glass jar in the cavity of the unit and the self-connecting pins on the jar will connect with the socket of the unit. When you start using any preset, the motor inside the unit will work to blend the ingredients in the jar and the heater inbuilt in the glass jar will cook the ingredients. And the iChef Quadra noise reduction technology will make blending and grinding as silent as possible. The shatterproof 5mm thick polycarbonate cover helps absorb sound during grinding. A valve at the top of the jar cover further dampens sound. The sunken-based design with dampening gaskets and sealing reduces vibration and noise. So grinding even the toughest ingredients is as quiet a process as possible. Every part slides and locks in with satisfying precision. And the dual safety switch protection means that the blender and grinder will not function without the lid securely in place. Now, let's get acquainted with the control panel. It has presets for soups, nut milks and more, alongside manual options for customized control. Let's put the iChef to the test with a classic tomato and carrot soup. Just put in the ingredients, press the soup preset button and the blender heater takes over from there. The process starts with heating of the ingredients and then everything gets blended smoothly. It will heat, boil and blend multiple times as you watch iChef transform the ingredients into a delicious soup. Your soup is not just blended, but heated to perfection. It's time to pour and savor the flavor. Place the grinder and the presets will automatically change. There are 4 levels of grinding power. Level 2 and 4 are for wet and coarse grinding, whereas level 1 and 3 are for hard and fine grinding. The blender heater is perfect for days when you are extra busy. There's a preset to easily reheat with one click. And the delay timer makes sure that your meal is hot and ready exactly when you want it. Set the timer accordingly and the soup will be finished to perfection on time with a delay of up to 12 hours. Cleaning the iChef is easy. You can press the steam clean button and it will automatically remove any residue stuck in the blender jar. Also, the detachable blade assembly makes the blades really easy to clean. Smoothies, purees, soups, reheating and ground spices are all within reach with a heavy-duty 1000-watt copper motor and a 1300-watt heating element. Blend and heat your meals in the most convenient and healthy way possible with the iChef blender heater.